Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're going to do a video on audio problems. You see, we get lots of calls, I get a lot of calls, that my GeoSat HDVR 3500 doesn't have any audio. Well, there's several things that could go wrong. First of all, the remote control on the GeoSatpro has a mute button right here, and sometimes it gets pressed while they're turning off the power. Well, if that happens, you'll see a little dot on your upper right hand corner of your screen right there. You see it? That indicates that the receiver has been muted. So if you press the mute button right here in the remote control, aiming at the receiver, bingo, there it is. The other problem, I just muted. The other problem is that sometimes these buttons get pressed, the left and the right button gets pressed all the way down. As you can see, if I unmute it and press the button down, you get a volume bar. And of course, if that happens, the volume bar is all the way down, there's no volume going to come out of the TV set since the volume on the receiver has been turned all the way down. Well, there's also a volume button right here on the left hand side of the remote. You can use this too for up and down. So if I press the up button, I now have audio again. I'll mute this again. Now, many times it may not be the receiver that is muted. Sometimes the volume on the remote control for the television has been turned down or been muted. So I suggest get your remote control for the TV, make sure that the volume is up, wherever the buttons are, look for that, and turn your volume up to at least half volume. That way you can use full volume control on the GeoSat remote control. Well, that's it for today. Make sure that you're not muted on the remote control for your GeoSat 3500, and the volume is up where you can hear it both on the TV and the receiver. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like. I appreciate it. Thank you much.